Nestled in the vibrant state of Uttar Pradesh, India, lies the city of Hapur, a place that seamlessly blends the old with the new. Hapur might not be as famous as its bustling neighbors like Delhi or Agra, but it holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, from quaint alleyways to vibrant local markets. This charming city, a part of the expanding National Capital Region, offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern development. The juxtaposition of historical sites and new constructions is truly fascinating. Join us as we journey through Hapur, uncovering its secrets and experiencing its warm embrace. From guided tours to spontaneous explorations, there's something for everyone. Hapur is conveniently located just 50 kilometers from the bustling metropolis of Delhi, making it an easy and accessible getaway. Its proximity to the capital city makes it an attractive destination for those seeking a quieter pace of life without sacrificing connectivity. The scenic road connecting the two cities is a journey in itself. As part of the NCR, Hapur is witnessing rapid development, transforming into a thriving hub for commerce and industry. New commercial buildings are springing up, signaling a bright future. Despite its growing urbanization, Hapur retains its small-town charm. The blend of urban and rural areas creates a unique atmosphere. The friendly locals, vibrant markets, and peaceful temples create a welcoming atmosphere that is sure to captivate any visitor. The spiritual essence of the temples adds to the city's allure. Come, explore Hapur with us and discover the heart of India's hidden gem. Let the journey begin. Hapur's story is deeply rooted in history, dating back centuries. This city, with its rich tapestry of events, has been a silent witness to the ebb and flow of time. This ancient city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape and culture. The legacy of these empires whispers through its narrow streets and grand monuments, telling tales of a bygone era. Let's step back in time and uncover the fascinating past of Hapur, a journey through centuries of history and heritage. Legend has it that Hapur's name originated from a combination of hap, a type of grain, and pur, meaning town. This etymology highlights its deep connection to agriculture. This name reflects its historical significance as a major agricultural center, a role it has played for countless generations. The fertile lands surrounding Hapur have nourished generations with their bounty of crops, sustaining the local population and beyond. During the reign of the Mughal Empire, Hapur flourished as a bustling trading hub, attracting merchants and traders from far and wide. Its strategic location on important trade routes brought prosperity and facilitated cultural exchange, enriching the city's heritage. The city's architecture and cuisine still bear the imprints of this era, showcasing a blend of influences that have shaped its identity. Later, under British rule, Hapur continued to play a vital role in the region's economy, adapting to new changes and developments. The British recognized its agricultural importance and developed infrastructure to support trade, further cementing its status as a key economic center. Today, Hapur proudly carries its heritage, a testament to its enduring spirit and the rich history that continues to shape its present and future. Hapur's strategic location has been instrumental in shaping its destiny. Situated in the western part of Uttar Pradesh, it enjoys a prime spot on the map, surrounded by major cities and vital waterways. The lifeblood of Hapur flows through the Krishna River, which meanders through the region, providing sustenance to its people and fertility to its lands. Its proximity to the river has made agriculture the backbone of Hapur's economy for centuries. Hapur's location on the fertile Gangetic plains has blessed it with rich alluvial soil, ideal for cultivation. This strategic advantage has made Hapur a major contributor to India's agricultural output. Furthermore, Hapur serves as a crucial link between Delhi and other major cities in Uttar Pradesh. Its well-connected road and rail networks facilitate the smooth flow of goods and people, solidifying its position as a vital transportation hub. Agriculture has always been the heart and soul of Hapur's economy. The fertile lands surrounding the city have provided sustenance and livelihood to generations of farmers. Even today, as Hapur embraces modernization, agriculture remains its backbone. From golden fields of wheat swaying in the breeze to lush sugarcane plantations, Hapur's agricultural landscape is a sight to behold. The city is a major producer of essential crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and vegetables, contributing significantly to India's food security. In recent years, Hapur has also witnessed a surge in industrial development. The establishment of small-scale industries has created employment opportunities and boosted the local economy. The city is known for its manufacturing of plastic goods, electrical equipment, and stainless steel products. The dairy industry also plays a crucial role in Hapur's economic prosperity. The region is dotted with dairy farms that produce milk and milk products, catering to the needs of the local population and beyond. Section 5. A tapestry of cultures, Hapur's heritage. Hapur is a melting pot of cultures, where traditions and customs have been passed down through generations. The city's diverse population, comprising Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and others, coexists harmoniously, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures. Hapur's religious landscape is dotted with ancient temples, mosques and gurdwaras, each holding a special place in the hearts of its devotees. The Panchmukhi Hanuman Mandir, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, is a revered pilgrimage site that attracts devotees from far and wide. The Shiv Mandir, another significant temple, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is known for its peaceful ambience and spiritual aura. These religious sites come alive during festivals, with devotees thronging to offer prayers and celebrate. Hapur's cultural diversity is reflected in its vibrant festivals, where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate. Diwali, Holi, Eid and Gurpurab are celebrated with equal fervor, showcasing the spirit of unity and brotherhood. Section 6. Connecting Hapur, transportation and accessibility. Hapur enjoys excellent connectivity, making it easily accessible from Delhi and other major cities in Uttar Pradesh. Its well-developed transportation network plays a vital role in its economic growth and facilitates the smooth movement of goods and people. The National Highway 9, a major arterial road, connects Hapur to Delhi and Meerut, ensuring seamless connectivity. This highway is a lifeline for trade and commerce, facilitating the transportation of goods to and from the city. Hapur Junction, the city's main railway station, is a major stop on the Delhi-Mathura rail route. Regular train services connect Hapur to Delhi, Agra, Mathura and other important destinations, making it convenient for both commuters and tourists. The city also has a well-established network of local buses and auto rickshaws that provide convenient and affordable transportation within the city limits. These modes of transport are popular among locals and visitors alike for their ease of use and accessibility. Section 7. Hapur's rise, education and urban development. Hapur is witnessing a remarkable transformation as it embraces modernization and development. The city is making significant strides in education, infrastructure and urban planning, paving the way for a brighter future. Hapur is home to several reputed educational institutions that provide quality education to its youth. The Sri Ram Institute of Technology and Maharaja Agrasen College are two such institutions that are shaping the next generation of professionals. The city's infrastructure is also undergoing a major overhaul, with new roads, bridges and public amenities being developed. The government is focusing on improving healthcare facilities, ensuring that residents have access to quality healthcare services. Hapur's urban planning initiatives aim to create a sustainable and livable city. The development of green spaces, parks and recreational areas is a testament to the city's commitment to providing a healthy environment for its residents. Section 8. Hapur today and tomorrow. A city on the move. Hapur is a city on the move, embracing progress while cherishing its rich heritage. This unique blend of the old and the new is what makes Hapur stand out in the rapidly evolving landscape of the National Capital Region. As part of the rapidly developing National Capital Region, Hapur is poised for a bright future. Its strategic location offers seamless connectivity to major cities, making it a prime spot for growth and development. The city's strategic location, coupled with its growing industrial and commercial sectors, is attracting investments and creating employment opportunities. This influx of business is transforming Hapur into a bustling economic hub. Hapur is emerging as a hub for small and medium-sized enterprises, contributing significantly to the region's economic growth. These enterprises are the backbone of the local economy, driving innovation and providing jobs. The government's focus on infrastructure development, education and healthcare is further enhancing Hapur's appeal as an investment destination. New roads, bridges, schools and hospitals are being built to support the growing population. The city is witnessing a surge in real estate development, with new residential and commercial complexes coming up. These developments are providing modern living spaces and state-of-the-art facilities for residents and businesses alike. Hapur's transformation is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. The city is constantly evolving, yet it remains deeply rooted in its traditions and values. The city is embracing modernization while preserving its cultural identity, making it an ideal place to live, work, and visit. Festivals and cultural events continue to thrive, showcasing the rich heritage of Hapur. As Hapur continues its journey of progress, it remains a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its scenic beauty and vibrant community make it a unique destination in the heart of India.